How to add your personal story to a done-for-you kit. One of the biggest worries people have about using done-for-you content is sounding generic. If you want to start an online business but don't want your digital product to feel like a copy and paste job, this video is for you. In this video, we walk through a simple way to personalize a done-for-you digital kit so it actually sounds like you. You don't need to rewrite everything or spend weeks customizing content. A few intentional changes can make a big difference. You'll learn how to read through a kit and spot easy places to add your own story or examples. Record a short personal intro video or write a welcome note to build connection. Tweak a few headlines and phrases so the tone matches your voice. Keep the structure while making the content feel personal and authentic. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to move fast but still build trust with their audience. You don't need perfection, you need personality and clarity. Customization doesn't have to slow you down. When you know what to change and what to leave alone, momentum stays intact. The Start Now, Not Later digital kit is a practical digital product that shows you exactly how to customize content quickly and confidently. It gives you clear guidance so your kit feels like your brand, not just something you downloaded, especially helpful if you're working with resale rights digital kits instead of starting from scratch.